Okay, it seems like not much is going on this week, but they are getting the stacks done on this and trying to match it over there to the pool. Looking really good. And fireplace is coming along. That's about the only difference we're gonna see because they did the templating. Look, it's gonna look nice. Anyways, looking good, looking good. And then all the way over here in our, now we're just waiting. You know, when you wait for this, it's like a week of waiting for the countertops to come in, and then they can finish all the lights, and then we can get the hood in and our faucet, which our faucet's not gonna be here for a little bit. So that's what happens when you get a custom faucet. Here we go, let's see what they got going out here. They're getting ready for the countertop out here and the roof in there, or the ceiling roof thing. And then these are like what they call soleil panels, which will have like a see-through thing. And then all the outside, what they call the hardscape's gonna be done this week, including that fireplace. I'm sure we'll match the stack stone as well. And then next week, all the green comes in and the flowers and the plants will be all there. Okay, this is before we did the tile cleaning, just to kind of see how dirty this grout is. This is newer grout, you can see how dirty. This is by the front door. I'm just tracking this to see how it cleans up for myself. That's all new grout. You can see the old grout, old grout. So what they're gonna do is steam clean all the grout and then reseal the floors because they are not looking too clean. And you can see like where furniture was, like right here versus right here. So even though this lady that owned this house, she's a very good cleaner. They probably just weren't sealed really well when it was built by the builder. So we're gonna clean them up and we're going to reseal it. They're gonna look like brand new tiles and brand new grout. I mean, it's gonna look good, I think. So this is kind of like, gives an idea. These are real dark right there, but then it's real light where maybe something was. Or under a table, it would be lighter. Then outside of the table, it would be darker. Okay, it's all, a lot of people in here today. Today's one of our first days. We're moving TVs and stuff like that. And they are painting the stucco where they patched it. They haven't done that piece, obviously, but they did the other side because there's a TV going up there. We've got all of our windows blocked off here and working on the rest of that. And looks like they're now stuccoing or getting ready to stucco the structure. You can see some of the ceiling boards are in there. I don't know if you can tell, but there we go. Although those aren't the final, those are just some of them that'll have other things on them and some lighting that goes in. And there's the stucco, it's looking good. It's coming along, yay! Yay, it's coming together. Okay, look how much the guys got done in the living room today. I mean, the kitchen. This is what's gotta still be, I mean, they got most of the lowers at least in place now, so it's looking pretty good. This is a monstrous kitchen sink going in right here. Oh, my husband really wanted one because he's got this monstrous stove going in here. So all the lowers look like they're in place. I would have thought they'd put uppers in first. I don't know why, but I just would have. Here's the pantry right now, but they have uppers still going up there too. It's gonna be a really tall one because this is already about 8 foot. I think that's gonna be 9 or 10 foot tall pantries and a little lazy Susan in there. Looking good, looking good. Don't know how much they get done tomorrow, but I guess we'll find out. Well, here's my little office. We did get to use the rest of our quartzite Taj Mahal to put in here, so that's cool. They had enough extra, and we're airing it out a little bit in here, but those guys got quite a bit done. Looking pretty nice. Most of our windows are really blocked off, but all the countertops went in today. They're looking fabulous. Friday, all the lights get finished underneath and with the plugs underneath there. And then we can finish lining all of these and getting those done. And they've got window seals they have to put back in and clean, of course. But now tomorrow the appliances come and they clean the tile floor for us. Hey, my husband got the picture of it. It's really, really pretty lit up. I don't know where the remotes are, but it's just beautiful. And you can see that it's barely, there's half the windows are covered, but it's coming together. Oh my gosh, here's what happened. Just had these carpets cleaned. The guy's putting up all the TVs today. Went outside, had to put one up out there and attracted mud. So guess what we get to figure out tomorrow? If the floor guy can clean that again. But anyways, we can now have a TV in here for our TV room. This is my current view, and let me tell you, this is no slouchy view. We are really gonna miss this view as well in our current home. This is bittersweet. Just not quite big enough for what we've want to do with our grandkids and visitors and guests and all that kind of stuff. So I think my water pot up here, oops, I don't think the feeder's working properly. What do you think? Because look at those flowers compared to each other. The one on the right's beautiful. Anyway, we are gonna miss this because this view is, the shade's halfway down, but it's just spectacular as well. We had a beautiful, beautiful sunset tonight. Here's the other thing. Everything is so messy when you are doing construction. It's just like crap everywhere, including like just stuff. I'm sure the neighbors are like, oh my gosh, please. This is not the way we live. But anyway, it will be cleaned up hopefully within the next week. Lots of stuff should come together, but just lots of mess still. And the way they do the pools and everything landscaping wise, here in Arizona, they put it all in the street, so like you can see some of the dirt still, but there was piles of blocks and everything. Over here now they're getting it down to mostly the pallets and stuff like that, where I don't know if they throw those away or they take them away, but either way they do something with them. So anyway, it's coming along. Plumber's still working on the stuff. Here are my new light fixtures. These are my pendant lights that are going to hang from the bar. They've got glass on them. And because my back of my hood vent has brass, and so does this. We're doing a lot of mixed metals, so he's going to hang those hopefully today, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, here we are. So they're working on our landscaping stuff. So the water got turned off a little bit out here for my little garden area, which is going to be beautiful. It looks like crap right now, truthfully, but it's got a beautiful waterfall. We'll do something cool up here. But all of these pots are going to be these new Hispanic painted beautiful pots on those, and bigger ceramic pots on these, because these are crappy. But anyway, these trees, I don't know if they're going to live. We'll see. These are bougainvillea, and I don't know what this one is, but they were beautiful. I think it's a bougainvillea also, but I don't know. They look pretty rough. Anyway, so hopefully they live. If not, somebody's buying us new plants. And then these are just roses. These are all going to be new pots too, but this area should look beautiful. And I don't like these at all. I don't know what the heck those are, but we need something way better than that. And then this pencil cactus has got a new pot coming as well, because it looks a little small for that. But it will be colorful as well. And it's kind of a cool one. Those are really cool in Arizona. They turn orange and green. It's not too much orange on there right now, but they're pretty cool. They don't have any spikes or anything. And then there's going to be some chairs over here when we move in this weekend. It's coming down to the weekend. Okay, so let's come see how these flower boxes are looking. Looking nice. They're going to be beautiful. All of these right in here. These will be lovely. And let's see. Oh, they're painting. See, this is where the stucco, the gray, was beautifully matched up for the rest of it so that they can paint. They're getting ready to paint so that we can hang a TV tomorrow. And looks like we've got a ceiling going in our structure. So that's coming along over here too. Looking good. See, lots of prep work to paint. Lots of prep work. Either they're on break or they've left for the day, but it doesn't look like it because they got a lot of stuff here. But here's the ceiling. Very cool looking. It's going to look absolutely lovely. Coming along. Okay, here we are. We just got the plumbing in. Okay, so my real faucets are not here. So I found these on Amazon for this little, the disposal button, this and this for like under $100. So yeah, they're not great, but hey, they are going to be fine for a couple of weeks before our custom one comes in. Appliances are going to come in 2 days, and they'll be ready. They're going to get the light bars on these, finish up all that. The hood vents going to come in early May, and these go in today into the counter. Let's see what's going on outside. It looks like a lot of stuff is going on out here finally today, because it's been slow. So these guys are working on here to paint this. We're going to paint the walls today so we can install our media tomorrow, which is going to go right here, a big TV. They're working on the bar, working on the 4K structure, they call it 4K. Anyways, it's coming along. It looks like the electricians are here. Those are 220 lines to bring in the heaters that we want for next fall when it's cold outside and you want to sit at the bar stool and watch the golfers play. So we'll see how it goes. It's coming along. But right now, it's a mess in here, I bet, in this pool. Oh, you see how it's disgusting? You can see how dirty the pool is because of the cleaner right now is going through there. But they swear it'll be great. Okay, then over here's these boxes. They are coming along. These are all the beautiful planter boxes. And there are going to be some beautiful flowers over in here. They are also are going to be leveling this out so there will not be a step there later. And it's coming along. So here goes a panel going up, and they put a lot of this very strong adhesive right there. So it takes 2 guys to lift it. Got a lot of caulk on that goes and puts those big dabs on there. To me, it's amazing. Don't drop it.
How do you lock that? Oh, does it sit on the other one?
Yeah, what do they have it sitting on below? Let me see.
Hey. I'm doing all right, how are you? Oh,
Oh, because it sits on the counter, so it has a place. You can rest on the edge of the counter over there. Yeah. That's how you can do it, set it on there. Very cool. And then this is where our hood's going to go, so they're going to have like a little piece over there, a little piece there, and then it's going to go up there, there. Yep, it checks it all up. This is how they drill the hole. And that's how we drill the holes. For your sink, your phone, that's a big sink. Run along. The only one with the backsplash so far. Coming along. It's coming along. Oh, this looks good. Okay, and then they're going to put those in this week. Coolers. And the backsplash. Oh, and this was a spot that was on the Taj Mahal. And I said, put it back toward here, so it's perfect. Here's where the sheen is. Very hard to see. Not bad at all. Good job. And this is a little bit of Taj Mahal here. Very loud.